How have you been? Thank you for stopping by to my channel. It's been a while since I talked in here, but yay! So today I am shooting a video about how I draw my eyebrows. Of course, from the title you already know what this video is all about. It normally takes me 5 to 10 minutes depending on the day, because some days I can do and redo them, but hopefully today won't be one of these days. So of course, some of the things I'll be using: a brown eye pencil, Davis. It's the most common one in Kenya, ni 30 bob. So ile eye pencil ya kawaida. I know there are other brands, you can also use that, but this is what I'll be using. A pro concealer. I'll be using a legal pro conceal in the color toffee, and a brush to clean it up. So that's all you'll need, only 3 things. But I usually have oily skin, so before I do my brows I like to powder them first so that it can be easy for me to draw on them. And I can't find my powder brush, so I start by powdering my eyebrows, as I said before, to make it easier for me to draw on them. So after powdering, I use a normal brush. I'm just going to brush them in the direction that I want to draw, or rather in the direction in which they grow. So that's how I'll brush them, to make it easier for me also to draw. Then after that, you need to sharpen your eye pencil. Make sure it's not blunt. Okay, this one keeps breaking. I think I'm going to change and use the old one. All this gold, baby. This I actually bought a new one to replace the one which I was using, but you can't buy mbaya because it keeps on breaking. So this is what I have remained with, and this is what I'm going to use anyway. So where were we? I have already powdered and I've already brushed, so I'm going to go in. I usually start from one end here, just outlining the shape of your eyebrows, because people are different. People have different eyebrows, different eyebrow shapes. So just draw along your bottom line. Is that, I don't know. So after drawing, so that's what you'll have. I still feel like my eyebrows are oily. I'm going to powder more. Okay, so after powdering, I'm going to do the same to this, what I did to this, just drawing underneath the eyebrow line and then on top.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could put a time machine.
So after drawing, you're just going to fill in the direction in which your hair grows. Please don't just fill in like kujaza nika unachora coloring. Just draw in the direction in which your hair grows so that it gives it a more natural look. Also do the same for the other eyebrow. Actually, this stage usually doesn't give me any stress because I'm still going to use the concealer to rub on the areas which I think like I might have drawn outside the line. So after you filled in your eyebrows, you go in with the concealer. I usually apply it on my hand because I don't know, so that I use kidogo kidogo. Plus usitumie mingi and then you go outside here looking like, I don't know, some crazy woman. So this is what I'll have, and this is the brush I'll be using. I don't know what the brush is called, but just get a flat brush that will make it easier to at least outline. Don't choose a thick brush because while concealing the eyebrow, like inaweza futa mingi. You just need yenye ni nyembamba so that when you're drawing or cleaning underneath, it just gives you a precise shape. Okay.
I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that, I wish that, I wish that you were mine.
See, we also do the same for the top. And then mnasema madam si artist. Man, this is art. Like, I'm going to do the same for the top part. So I'm still going to clean out the concealer to give it a more natural look. You can go in with a brush or a sponge, depends on what you like, it's preference. You see any difference? On both sides, this is what you'll have. You can use a brush or a blender to blend out the rest of the concealer. Now, for me to have a more natural look, I like to go with the brush and then brush out, like brush in the direction still in which the hair grows, so that you can have a more natural look. And there you have it. Like, okay, maybe I draw some more on this end because the hair look more scarce than this one. And we're done, so you can go ahead and continue with the rest of your makeup. But that's how I do my brows, and I think they look good. So yeah, I really hope that you've learned something from this video and that you've enjoyed doing my brows with me. Leave a comment, leave a like, please subscribe. Don't be watching my videos without subscribing. Until my next video, bye.